an Israeli couple, Yaron and Eti, are waiting at Ben Gurion Airport near Tel Aviv for a family, cousins of Yaron, who are making Aliyah, immigrating to Israel. They arrived early, and Yaron is a bit thirsty. He says to Eti, "I'm going to buy." How does he say it? אני הולך לקנות. הולך. הוא אומר, I'm going to buy something at the shop. אני הולך לקנות משהו בחנות. בחנות. Something to drink. משהו לשתות. הוא שואל את אשתו, he asks his wife, הוא שואל את אשתו, do you want something? את רוצה משהו? Do you want something from there? את רוצה משהו משם? איך אומרים to come? לבוא. לבוא. אומרת אתי, yes, I'll come with you. הקשיבו וחזרו. Listen and repeat. הקשיבו וחזרו. כן, אני אבוא איתך. אבוא. The word אבוא is conjugated in the future tense. It means literally, I will come, which part of the word lets you know that Eti is speaking for herself. Avo. Note how the aleph sound starts off both the word ani and avo, as you say for Eti, I'll come with you. Ani avo itcha. Ani avo. Future tense words in Hebrew always have an extra sound at the beginning of the word, a prefix, as a clue to who is speaking, or who is being spoken to or about. אומרת אתי לבעלה, to her husband, לבעלה, I'll come with you to the shop. אני אבוא איתך לחנות. How would you ask someone in Hebrew, what time is it? מה השעה? Yaron would like to know at what time exactly their arrival's plane is scheduled to land. As they make their way over to the airport shop, שואל ירון את אתי. At what time? Say literally, at which time? באיזו שעה? באיזו שעה? הוא שואל, at what time are they supposed, or literally, are they said? חזרו. Repeat. חזרו. באיזו שעה הם אמורים? באיזו שעה הם אמורים? At what time are they supposed to land? הקשיבו וחזרו. Listen and repeat. הקשיבו וחזרו. באיזו שעה הם אמורים לנחות? לנחות. חוט. לנחות. אומרת אתי, they're supposed to land. הם אמורים לנחות at 4:15. ב-4:15.
Ulpan 9 Yan's small classes offer you the opportunity to go beyond reading and writing and to learn to speak Hebrew with confidence and accuracy. Our main focus is getting you to communicate effectively in modern Hebrew with a smile at the local shops, the workplace, the synagogue, in a government office, wherever you may find yourself in Israel. At Ulpan 9 Yan, our courses also provide an understanding of Hebrew's unique grammatical principles, as well as the ability to communicate in writing. Our 3 to 6 week courses meet for a highly focused 1 or 2 hour class a day, utilizing the best in language learning methodology, with groups exceeding no more than 10 participants. We offer courses at multiple levels, from beginners and up, at various times of the day, at several locations around Israel, so that you're likely to find something that works for you. Join us at Ulpan La'inyan to tap your Hebrew-speaking potential. Ulpan La'inyan. Get talking.
אני מאמין באמונה שלמה